If you want to get live translator for conversation on a Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then first of all we're gonna open the Play Store. Next we're gonna go and search, and over here we can search for Google Translate. Just write Google Translate, there we go. And then you should be able to download this app over here. Make sure that it is this one. The Google Translate app allows you to not only translate sentences, but it can also be used for real-time conversations. So let's open the app, and then over here, as you can see, once we open the app, we immediately have this information that we can try the conversation mode over here. So if we select it, and once we grant the permission to use the microphone, you should be able to convert the text, whatever you are saying out loud, it will be converted into the selected text. So you can also pause the microphone at any point, of course. As you can see, we have all the instructions that we can use, and my speech was immediately translated to the other language. Of course, over here we can choose the language, the source language and the target language, and over here in the top right corner we can tap on this icon here in order to flip these cards. So if you are standing next to, well, not next to, but face to face with someone, then it might be easier to use this style over here. And that's about it. Remember that you can of course change languages if you want to, and that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.